met too young, and our hearts be broken, leaving it open to save this love. Friends saying it's toxic, but there's no option of giving you up. And if we finna grow apart, then I don't wanna grow up. But I was feeling stuck, cause we met too young. We the same damn soul. Told you I would never fall in love with no hoe. Hate it was a hickey that done let you know. I've been in the streets fucking around with hoes. Whoa, and you did the same thing to me. I know them other guys ain't better than me. Ain't nobody got you coming harder than the ready. Swear I gotta be the hottest rapper in the city. I can tell that this is probably hell. Night terrors of me seeing you laying with somebody else. And we both terrified that we gon' move on with someone else. Cause we met too young, and our hearts be broken, leaving it open to save this love. Friends saying it's toxic, but there's no option of giving you up. And if we finna grow apart, then I don't wanna grow up. But I was feeling stuck, cause we met too young, and our hearts be broken, leaving it open to save this love. Friends saying it's toxic, but there's no option of giving you up. And if we finna grow apart, then I don't wanna grow up. But I was feeling stuck, cause we met too young. To do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want. I hope that you were safe